Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the Spark program. So this is a program where the government is going to renovate 2,000 community roads in Jamaica, and it's a program that's going to cost 40 billion Jamaican dollars. So the government is going to spend 40 billion Jamaican dollars to renovate or rehabilitate 2,000 community roads in Jamaica. So this is very good because it's something that's needed. Now the government has been doing an excellent job in renovating in building highways, I should say, and upgrading some of the main roads in Jamaica. You have roads like Barbican Road, Lady Musgrave Road to be upgraded soon. East King's House Road, Constant Spring Road was renovated, Mandela Highway was renovated, Marcus Garvey Drive was renovated, and the roads that have been renovated have definitely made a difference in the flow of traffic. But the community roads now, not much was being done with those. So this new program that the government has announced is very good. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on it. Some 2,000 community roads will be rehabilitated over the next 3 years through a $40 billion allocation under the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network Spark program. We have made excellent progress in dealing with our highways and main thoroughfares, and it is now time to address our secondary roads and our local roads, said Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. He was making his budget debate presentation in the House of Representatives. Mr. Holness told the House that the National Works Agency has started scoping the project and setting criteria for priority and selection of the roads, and the National Water Commission will collaborate to determine whether water mains would not pose an issue for the overlay of the roads. Where water mains are old or in need of upgrade, then those roads would still be treated under this program. However, they would be placed in a different implementation stream since they would require more complex engineering and materials, he explained. Roads where no additional works are required other than sidewalks and small retaining structures will be the first to be selected for milling and overlay. Spark will immediately address many community, parochial, and secondary roads where the road surface has been scoured or filled with potholes, but the subsurface and drainage is generally intact. Prime Minister Holness said that the program will also focus on resurfacing some white roads where the asphalt has lost friction due to the type of aggregate used and the polishing effect of traffic over time. Improvement of intersections to include widening, installation of jersey barriers, signage, and signaling will be done where the NWA deems necessary. The Prime Minister told the House that the only public thoroughfares that are on the registers of the NWA and the municipal authorities will be repaired under the program, with housing scheme roads to be considered on a case-by-case basis. Let me read that part again. The Prime Minister told the House that only public thoroughfares that are on the registers of the NWA and the municipal authorities will be repaired under the program, with housing scheme roads to be considered on a case-by-case basis. We intend to finalize the policy framework and start the process of selection by June of this year. Roads that are assessed which only need overlay and other minor works will be prepared for immediate procurement, he said. Mr. Holness said that the members of Parliament will play a key role in engaging and consulting their constituents in making recommendations on the roads to be repaired and the order of priority in which they are done. The recommended roads must justify the expenditure and order of priority based on the volume of traffic they carry, the interconnectivity they facilitate, and the number of residences, businesses, and public facilities along the road, he pointed out. Meanwhile, road and bridge repair and maintenance will be addressed through a $6.9 billion allocation. So that is the end of the article. So it's good that they have moved on to the secondary roads, but the road system in Jamaica definitely needs some looking at, because you have parochial roads, you have the roads that the NWA maintains, and then you have farm roads, rural roads, and it's three different entities that monitor them. For instance, the parochial roads fall under the parish council. The farm roads fall under RADO, and the main roads fall under NWA. So you have three different entities that manage the roads in Jamaica. And I can give you an example. There was a bridge the other day, I think it was in Hanover, and the parish council is saying NWA is responsible for the bridge. NWA is saying the parish council is responsible for the bridge. So, I mean, that's just an example. But I welcome this program, and it will definitely help. So we'll keep you guys updated, and as soon as we get any additional information or the list of roads, we will keep you guys updated. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.